look very happy today. Molly, shush. Look at the fishes. Good morning. I know. Molly is so dramatic. Molly is like, Mommy, me too. Look. Ping pong. Cebu looks very happy. Where's Grumpy gone?
She goes to the garden.
Where's Grumpy? Can't see Grumpy at the moment. Grumpy's hiding. Timothy? Darling? Have you? Wait. Is that the corals that we brought from Philippines? Look at the corals.
I know.
It's gone live again.
I know, because it's in salted water.
Oh my god.
It's coral, right?
Yeah.
Look how big that's getting now.
Yeah, look at that. I don't know what it's called in beside that one, but yeah. Babe, oh, hi, Cebu. She put pops somewhere. On this morning. No, croissant is with the chocolate, right? Oh, croissant is croissant. Just put butter and then you just add jam. Just gonna put butter.
No jam?
And jam. Okay. Ini boy. Okay. This is freshly baked. Kasi ano siya, hilaw pa siya, tapos ilagay mo lang siya sa oven. And it's freshly baked. Kuha lang ako ng jam. That's the jam. Jam on top. Oh, and the other one. And then I'll make some coffee. I'm having a nice coffee today. So, ito ay lalagyan ng milk. Milk. Yan pa lang siya ng milk. And then isa lang. Just to the coffee. Gumawa ng coffee yung asawa ko una. So, may coffee tira dito. Here's the milk. And I like my nice coffee with 1 brown sugar. Mix it, and then I'm just waiting for the milk. Yeah. Parang min-order ko ang cousin ko. Good morning, poop. Hey. Good morning. What are you up to now? Huy. What are you up to? You're waiting for my food. You cheeky munch. So milk is ready. You know when it's ready kasi wala nang red doon sa power. So it should look like this. Frap. And then, pour mo lang siya. And that's my morning coffee. And just mix it. And there you go. Hi guys, good morning again. Nag-breaking process ko. So that's my bread. Oh, my coffee. So, nood lang kami ng TV. Kain ng breakfast and then we'll go from there. Tingnan niyo mga ducks. And the birds. No, not the birds, the pigeons. Naglabasan talaga sila, oh. Malalis ka. Yung iba, andun yung iba, oh. Andun sila. Hi. Oh. Tingnan mo si Molly. Molly, dada. Napaka-quiet day. It's Monday. Napaka-quiet kasi work yung mga tao. Nag-off kami ng asawa ko. Wala lang. Gusto lang namin mag-day off. Alam. Oh. Chill lang, chill. Chill. Ano yung iba? Maulan today, maulan. Guys, nandito pala kami. Maglalaro kami ng bowling. guys, gusto ko lang mag-good night. Nanalo ako sa second game ng aming bowling. Nakauwi na kami. Kaya, relax time na. Tsaka, take my makeup off. Take my makeup off. And then, chill lang with Molly May sa baba. And, yeah, so good night, guys. Bye!